save your data and back up the notebooks you have created. I'm going to show you how you can do that in Goodnotes, as there are a few options available. Go to Settings, and from here you can choose between iCloud Settings, Backup Data, or Automatic Backup. The iCloud settings will allow you to keep data synced across devices. The backup data, once you click Backup Now, you are going to create a backup folder and save it to whatever share folder are you using. Like I'm using Dropbox for that. And automatic backup, this is something I suggest to use if you don't want to use the iCloud system. Sign into a cloud storage folder, and then the documents will be automatically backed up in that folder. And you can choose between Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. So based on your needs, keep your documents saved using iCloud syncing, backup data, or automatic backup feature.